Hello everyone! Julia is here. I'm very glad to see you today, guys. Thank you for watching and drawing with me and sending your beautiful artworks. They are amazing. And today you will learn how to draw a dolphin. So what you will need? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be color pencils, markers, crayons, paints, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! So guys, today we will be drawing a dolphin. So let's start drawing from this horizontal line here. We are just showing the level of the water of our sea. If it's not too straight, it's absolutely fine. Nothing is so straight in nature, and now we'll showing that our dolphin is just jumping out of the water. So let's start drawing this curved line here. It will be its main body. So I'm just drawing this curved line, and now I will be drawing this part and its beak. So it will be 1 and 2, smiling beak. And now we will be almost repeating this line, but making it a little bit more flat, I would say. So you like this. If something goes wrong, you just rub it out and correct. And that makes easier when you use pencil. And now I will be drawing its tail. It's a curved line here, and again this line, and then just connecting them together, simple like this. And here we will be drawing its eye, a circle, and one circle inside. And if you want to add some spotlight, just add one more. And it will be then a spotlight here, one more circle inside. And you also can draw this small circle, it will be its ear. And I will add a smile here. And also will draw its fin. So it will be a line here, so now this just a little bit up. And so it's going like this. And now I will be drawing, showing its time in just a flat line, repeating the same one. So, and now I will be drawing in front of its fin 2 flippers. So it's almost the same, like I would say that you start with a line here and then a little bit curved here, one, and a smaller one because it's far away, so it's smaller flipper here. So our dolphin is ready, and let's draw some drops here because it's jumping out of the water, and it's also a splash of water, and we will be drawing it easy like this, just a splash. And you can draw as many drops as you wish, and you can color this with blue. And our dolphin picture is almost ready, but if you want to add some more details, then let's draw a small baby dolphin here. So let's make it funny. And I will be starting drawing a baby dolphin just from drawing a circle. And then I will make this small tail here. And rub this line. And to make it look cute, we will make a small fin for our baby dolphin. just a small one. And now we will be drawing his beak. And I will rub out this line just to show its smiley face. So, and now we will be drawing its eye. It's a big circle here, and one circle inside, and one more, and a small one for spotlight. And you also can draw this line here. And let's create a line here connecting till its tummy. So, and you can curve it even more just to make it cuter. So I will just make it like this, and maybe make its funny face here just a little bit. And then you can also draw some spots if you wish to add some cuteness to our baby dolphin, and they can be smaller. So we have a big dolphin and small cute dolphin here, and I will be drawing some maybe corals. I will make them funny, and why not to make corals made of hearts today? So it will be my own world I'm creating here under the sea with corals made of hearts, and you can create your own plants. And if you need to pause this video and take your time and then rewatch it and draw with me, and I really love drawing with you guys. So, and here I will also add some small fishes. They are following our dolphins. So I will be drawing they simply like this. So 2 semicircles together, just simple like that, a curved line and a dotted eye, and these curved lines here. And you can draw different shapes of these small fishes. So, and it can be this funny fish, yellow one if you wish, like this. And again this line, and repeating this curved line. And some stripes here. An eye and its fin. So, and if you want, you can add some smaller one, and the circles, dots, just thin, and there can be as many as you wish. And I will be adding some grass here. And you can add some bubbles going in different directions. And I will also draw the sleeves here, just to show that my dolphin lives in a warm country. So, and now we just have to color it. So guys, let's color our dolphins, and I will start coloring with an eye. I will color it black, and our baby's dolphin. And I also will add 2 flippers here. So I will add 1 and 1 more smaller one, and you also can color fish eye. And now I will be starting coloring our dolphin with marker, and you can use pencils or markers or maybe paints or crayons, whatever you have, guys. So I will make it blue, and dolphins can be from dark blue to gray and even brown color. So you can make it any color you wish, guys. It can be even purple, and maybe you will decide to color it pink. Why not? So try to follow your strokes in one direction, so you will be able to show its shape. And I will also color its eye, maybe purple. And flippers will also make blue. And it's up to you which color you will decide to use. So I will make its purple with a pencil here, and make it lighter blue. Color its tummy here. And now I will color our baby dolphin, and I also made some spots to make it look cuter, cute and funny, I would say. And also will leave its spots just to color them later with dark blue, or maybe you will color it rainbow colors. So I'm just coloring out, and here we go. It's almost ready. And now I will color its eye with green. Just green, and I will make purple blush here. And look how cute it is. And now I will make dark spots. And now it looks really cute. And now I will be coloring this fish with pencils. So this one will be yellow, and you can make them of different colors. And this fish is yellow, with maybe I will use orange. And this one I will make purple. With pink. And light pink here. So, and this one I will make orange. And I'm using like red pencil, so I will mix it with yellow and it will become orange, and then I will add some blue and yellow. So, and now I have to color my grass and corals. I will make it maybe I will make it pink. Why not to make it pink? And then I will color it with different, maybe you can color it with different colors, or I will leave it then pink. Maybe I will add some of them like yellow or orange. Yeah, this one I will make different colors to make them look funny. And pink. Why not? Just to mix the colors. And orange. And this grass I will make just purple. This one. So I'm shading it with pencils. Try not to go out the black line. So here we go. And now we'll color this grass with green, these leaves. So I'm just will add some green strokes here. And here. And now we can color our water. So I will color the splash here with bright blue, just to make it really visible, because our dolphin has just part of the water. And you know, guys, that dolphins can't breathe under the water, so they breathe outside the water. And here I will just color bubbles. You can leave them white or make them blue, or maybe you will decide to make them different color. And now I will be just shading with blue pencil our sea. In order to show that all our fishes under the sea, and now Baby Dolphin also is swimming, following its mom, or maybe its dad. Or maybe you will decide to draw the whole family of dolphins, and they usually live in groups, which are called school. And we can add sun here, I think. So we'll just draw a yellow circle here to add some light to our picture. So I will just draw this yellow sun here and use my pen just to show our sun. And look, guys, how cute are our dolphins. Well done, guys! Thank you for drawing dolphin with me, guys. I really love drawing with you. And if you enjoy my lessons, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. Thank you, stay safe, I love you guys, bye bye!